Are you curious about which music tool is the best for your needs? Today, we are diving into a comparison of Suno, Udio, and Mubert. All three tools help you create music and sound, but they each have their own unique features. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about Suno. This tool focuses on AI generated music. It allows users to create tunes quickly and easily. You can customize your tracks with different styles and genres. Suno is great for those who want a fast and creative way to produce music. Now, let's look at Udio. This platform is designed for collaboration. It lets musicians work together in real time. You can share your ideas and build on each other's work. Udio is perfect for those who enjoy teamwork in their music making process. Next, we have Mubert. This tool is all about streaming. It generates endless music on demand. You can find the perfect background track for any situation. Mubert is ideal for users who need quick access to a variety of sounds without much hassle. So, what are the key differences? Suno is more focused on individual creation, while Udio emphasizes collaboration. Mubet stands out with its streaming capabilities. When it comes to features, Suno offers a wide range of genres and customization options. Udio shines with its real time collaboration tools. Mubert provides a vast library of continuously generated music. In terms of pricing, Suno and Udio typically offer subscription plans, while Mubert may have different pricing models based on usage. So, which tools should you choose? If you want to create music on your own, go for Suno. If you love working with others, Udio is the way to go. And if you need instant access to music, Mubert is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.